Thanks for all the love on the last video. I'm back, and this time I'm gonna amp it up a little bit and I'm gonna put together a little leopard print look for you. So I'm back, I have my base on, so we're gonna do a little cat eye today. I am by no means a makeup artist, but living with a drag queen and just being around it, kind of pick up a tip or two here or there. So I'm gonna go through with what I do to create a look and follow along, have some fun. So this is the start of my cat eye. Just got some bronzers and highlighters underneath my eyelids. My biggest tip is just blend. Blend, blend, blend. Now that I have the eyelid kind of bronzed out, I'm gonna add a black smoky smudge around my entire eyelid. So I've added some black, but now I'm just gonna go with a blending brush and just kind of smoke out the edges so it's not so harsh. Now I have a black smoky eye, so what's going to create the cat effect is going to be the eyeliner. We're going to make it really long and sharp. So with the white corners of my eyes, this is really creating that cat look I want to get. Now I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows. So that's the makeup done, but we're all here to see how I do a glitter beard. So today I'm gonna be matching this stunning leopard print into my beard. So let's get started. In order to match that shirt, I'm gonna have to create my own base color because that color of the strawy kind of beige color doesn't really exist in the store. So I'm gonna mix together 4 or 5 colors to create the perfect color and the perfect match. So as with all my beards, I'm going to be using Global Colors Body Art. So I have a bunch of different colors here to mix together to hopefully create that perfect blend. So there we have it. I've created a kind of base color that's going to be very, very similar to the shirt. So as I said in my last video, my big tip is that you need to mix your glitters. Don't just go with one. So since this is a kind of gold tan color, I've mixed these 3 different golds with different sizes and kind of iridescence all together to create the ultimate gold glitter. So as I have nearly black hair and I'm going to go nearly blonde, what you want to do is you want to build the color. You don't want to just go in with a lot of paint. You want to use a little bit and build on top of each other until you get that nice kind of blonde color that I'm getting. So you may be wondering how I'm going to get the glitter to stick. So when you add the paint, you add the glitter on top, and as the paint dries, it actually sticks and adheres the glitter to your head. Don't forget to glitter as you go because the glitter is going to stick to the paint and you don't need any adhesive. So there is the base done. So now comes the fun part. Time to make myself a leopard. So in order to create the leopard print spots, I need to kind of create that darker center kind of bronze gold and then the black spots around. So I'll do them one step at a time. So it's time to do the spots. So luckily I have this color that's pretty close to what I want. Then I'm also going to use the glitter that's that darker tone of bronze as well. With the bronze spots, I'm just going to put them everywhere. This isn't the main part, the black will tie it all together. So just kind of spread them out evenly amongst your beard and where you want the spots to be. With my normal beards, I like to keep my lines very, very clean and tight. With the leopard print, I kind of like the spots to overlap where exactly the beard is, just to kind of tie it all together. So I'm pretty happy with all the bronze spots I have. So I'm gonna go back with some more wet paint and the glitter and just make them all glittery. So now all my bronze spots are glittered. Now's the fun part, we go in with the black. When you're looking at a leopard print, you can see that there's colored parts in most of them, but not all of them, and they're all different shapes. And it's all just kind of a bit sporadic. Every leopard is different, everyone's spots are different, so just go in and freehand and get excited. With the black spots, I'm just gonna kind of glitter as I go. So I'll do a few black spots, then I'll add some black glitter on top. Just continue to do that, otherwise it's gonna be a lot of work to try to remember which black I've done and I haven't. So I can already see that this spot's kind of big and empty and I'm gonna wanna go back in. So just go back and just add another copper spot. So I'm leaving the area here in the middle of my mustache free because I'm gonna add myself a cat nose before with my finishing touches. So that is all my spots done. So there is the beard. So I am just gonna add a little cat nose and some lashes and a bit more to my eye to finish it off. So I think I'm gonna add a little bit of a top lip with some lipstick, finish up the eye with some eyelashes, and I'm gonna be right back with the full complete look. So guys, this is the final look. I think I've reached my ultimate form thanks to this fabulous new suit Jordan got me. So if you've enjoyed the video, give it a like, give me a follow on Instagram, and in the comments, ask me for what you wanna see next. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for hanging out, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!